Hey again folks, just a real quick update. I thought this would make a nice picture. This is the block of Fortal A that I showed you the other night. I've surfaced both the top and the bottom large surfaces, and I just finished cleaning up this edge. The mill vise is in tram on the Bridgeport, so the top and the bottom are parallel, and this I think this will be the base of the piece. It's also perpendicular to the sides, and all I need to do now, I need to raise that up. The buzzing that you hear in the background is my rotary phase converter. As you can see, this process produces a ton of little tinsel aluminum chips, so I've got cardboard boxes to catch it down there, and I'll vacuum up as soon as I finish. So I'm not going to have time to fully shape the piece, so I thought I'd stop now before I'm going to lift it up. Well, go ahead and I can show you how that works. I'll release the latch, move that up. I use for the surfacing, I use this, I forget what they call these now, the servo control on the x-axis, and that's the speed that I had it at. It's a little faster than I would probably normally crank, and as you can see, it gave a beautiful surface finish. And on the top, you can see I took about 4 passes, and I used that large shell type end mill. So now I'm traversing the x-axis over to the other side, and I'll get it in position, and I'll make the top side just as smooth as I made the back. And when I'm done with that, I'll carefully file or use a tool to deburr the edge here. You can see that sharp edge that gets on. Cut it off, we're almost there, and just take the control wheel like that. It's pretty awesome having that. So you can see how rough. This is the part, the table sawn part that I showed you the other day. So I'll surface this, and then I'll have 4 of the 6 surfaces. So I'll just remove the rough edge there on both sides. I filed it down before I flipped it over, and I'll just remove that before I move the block. Remove the block here. I'll tip it up on edge, then I'll surface one side of it, cut away any of the swarf there on the edge, and then flip it over again, and I'll have all 6 sides milled. I've milled it down to the 1.5 inches thick right now, and right now I'm just getting the edges flush. When I do the sides, I'll go to the finished 3 1/4 inch position, and then we'll have a perfectly sized block to start with, and I can lay out my cut lines for the rest of the machining, which I'll probably do tomorrow. So thanks again for watching, everybody. I'll keep you posted.